As in the previous lecture video, we have discussed that what are file paths and how file paths are used in HTML or in CSS. So in the today's lecture video, we are going to understand a very important concept in web development, that what is a web page and how can we create a simple web page using HTML. If you are new to coding or want to start your web development journey, this lesson is going to be great place to begin. So let's get started. Okay, so mainly today's topic is that what is a web page and how a web page is used. So basically, a web page is a document that you view in a web browser like Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Google. So like these types of browser, it usually is written in HTML like hypertext markup language, and web pages make up the internet. Every website is made up of one or more than one web pages. Example of web pages are like a home page, a contact page, a blog page, and an about us page. For example, there is a website like there is a website www dot and animals.com. So here is a website about animals, and when you click on it and when you enter the website, so there are some certain pages or some certain web pages. Like for example, there is a home page. At the second, there is a contact page, and at the third, there is a blog page, and at the last, there is a about us page. So like here, every web page acts its own main role. That like the home page, when you open the home page, every animal have its own characteristics and has its own ability. And when you open the contact page, so it may appear the its contact like its owner, the website owner contact, and the blog page contain the blogs like the daily blogs, and the about us page, it's the about us page, let you know that what is it about. So okay, so when we visit a website like I have discussed that this website or the website like www.google.com, www.youtube.com, so you are looking at a web page. When you open it, so you are looking at a web page. Okay, the second topic is that what are web pages versus websites, like web pages vs versus website. So like the main difference between a web page and a website, like it's important to know the difference between a web page and a website. Like a web page is a single page, like it is a single page, it is a single page. And like a web page, a website, it's a collection of pages, or a web pages, it's a collection, it's a collection of a web pages. So these are the first main difference between a web page and a website. And like a web page is also like a chapter in book, like many chapters in one book, like chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. And web pages is like a whole book, like sorry, website is like a whole book. Like web pages are the chapter and website is a whole book. We can give like it is example, e.g. chapters of a book. We can give example of chapters of a book, and this the whole book, e.g. the whole book. Okay, so I've given the example that it's like a whole book and web page is like a chapter. Okay, the third topic, that what makes up a basic web page or how can we use web pages. So for that purpose, we will use our VS Code or Visual Studio Code. So I need here the VS Code. Okay, so I'm here in the Visual Studio Code and I copy paste the web page file which I have given in the our community, our website community, and you have to copy from there and paste it at here. So it contains two files and three pictures. In the first file, that is assists, it contains a picture of a cat, and the second file, which is public, it contains about.html and content. Like in the content, like contact me, my phone number, my email, your phone number, your email address, and like 123 North Street, it's an example. Like you have to like written your colony or your street name and some city like where you live, the city. Some city you don't write, have to write some city, you have to write the city name only. Or some country like whether you live in India, Bangladesh, China, Pakistan, wherever you live, you have to write those country name. You do not write this like some country and some city. You have to directly write the country name and the city name. Okay. And after that, here is our goal that what have to do like this. And here is our index.html like we have to practice here, and our solution is like this. Like I have already done this. Like after this, like add an image of yourself that links to the about page, and after that in the hearth we have to apply our picture and our cat picture which is related to our website, and after that we have to apply the contact. So when we run on it, you have to apply a run. Like here is the run button, start debugging. So it will contain and it will find like this interface that welcome to my website. Here's the cat picture, and below here is the contact. When you click on it, it contains this interface like contact me, my phone number, my email, my address, Professor Colony, Peshawar, Pakistan. So here like this you have to do. Like here you will, okay, we'll do again it like, okay, so I will do it again. A half, a half is equal to, sorry, is equal to, okay. So when you copy, like when you fill this page and when you save it, so it will automatically save it here, and you will directly copy it from here, copy it and paste it at here in the index.html. Paste it at here. So paste it at here. Okay. After that, what will you do? After that, we will click imgsrc like the image. Okay, image imgsrc. Oh, it's totally wrong. Src is equal to, or it's again wrong. Yes, now it's correct, and we have to do img slash src is equal to, we have to copy from here the this, we have to copy this. So I will copy this, copy here and paste it at here. Okay, I have pasted it. So simply I will cut this from here. So here now I have written this, and now Like below here I will write my contact information and you can write your contact information. Like when you fill it, and again you will copy paste it here. Like directly you can do like this, copy it here and paste it at here. So you can now cut it from here. Okay, now our web page first interface is ready. Okay, now we will run it. Start debugging. We will choose Chrome or Edge. So here our web page is ready. Our website first web page is ready. So here is the contact, phone number, email address, and etc. So this was our web pages and our website web pages, and I hope this video helped you understand what is a web page and how it works in HTML. If it did, please give me a like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments which part of the HTML should I cover next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.